If you missed out on last week's video, I started to make some antler jewelry. Started making some earrings, got some studs, some cool pieces for dangly earrings. Now we're moving forward and finishing up some tasks, so let's get into this week. Day 2, and I had to go and pick up another saw blade. It didn't work very well yesterday, the one that I did pick up, so I went and exchanged the extra one I had for today. So we'll see if that makes the sawing of these antlers any better or not. I just got in my garage. It is -12 here in Saskatchewan. It's cold. Hence the scarf. My garage is just heating up. It's about 9 in the morning. So I'm gonna try and saw some more antlers. Let's do this. This one that I got, insanely tiny. I don't like it though. Like that even? That would be nice. I figured maybe I can make a pair of earrings like that. These would probably be good as just individual earrings, dangly ones, maybe with like a hoop or something. This, I think, might be my first ring. If there was some way that I could like save this, I just love that. I was thinking possibly if I made this into a ring but kind of kept that angle. These ones I thought would be really cute. Put a little ring in the top or something and then have them as like tiny little pendant necklaces and like a 3-chain or something, different lengths or individual or whatever. And then these I thought would be some cute studs. It would be kind of nice to like have this as like a flat necklace or something, like keeping some of that as a necklace or earrings. Cut these into some like bigger circular earrings, I think would be amazing. And then this one, I'd like to cut out a triangle from this and have the antler grain as the focal point. And this is what I've got left of this mule deer antler. So many plans. I'm gonna be doing some sanding of these antler bones. Antler bones? I'm gonna be doing some sanding of these antler pieces. I'm gonna work on these studs right now. I've gotta work in, I don't know, probably an hour. So I'll spend 45 minutes or so working on these and I don't know, just enjoying the process. So let's do it. For sanding, I already started doing some sanding. I did this little stud. So cute. This is 120. Yes, it's for a belt sander. No, I don't have any other options right now. I just found this in my basement. I'm just working with what I got. And this is a 150 grit, which I also found in my basement. And this is a 220. We'll see what we get. Are they going to be absolutely perfect? Probably not, but they're going to be good enough, I think. We'll just work at it and get them as nice as possible. These two little ones here are pretty cute and about the same size. So I'm going to work on these and we'll see if I lose any fingernails in the process. I wouldn't be surprised. A manicure with a purpose, right? Yeah, so this is pretty good. I think I'm pretty satisfied right now. And look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? So I'm gonna move on to my 150 and do this till I'm happy. Well, that didn't take long. It's pretty great. I just wanna do this to get all the rough edges off if there are any. There we go. One cute little antler stud. Ta-da! This one, because of the sanding, has gotten a bit larger, I think. And this one, once I sand it, will probably get more small. This could be a bit of a pickle for how things are gonna go, because I'd like them to be more similar in size, but we will see. I've got 3 pairs done right now. They look pretty cute. With them not being exactly the same size, it's a little bit annoying. Maybe that's not a big deal to other people because it's beautiful and artistic and all that good stuff. Let me know what you think. This is what I got accomplished today. Pretty great. You know, when you finish something, you're just like, it's completed, but it's still like you're in progress, and that's a little bit annoying. Well, part of that's on me because I haven't even ordered like the backs or the earrings or the hooks or the whatever, right? I can't technically finish anything because I don't have the stuff.
You just gotta work through this process, and this is where we're at. It's an orange Dremel.
What is going to happen?
Isn't that so cool? Oh, right, it doesn't zoom in.